In a quarter mile, make a slight left turn on Long Beach Road using the upcoming left lane.
Ano?
Chúng lẽ nữa. Oh shit. Oh my god, luôn đón chẳng kia liệu.
Sure.
Luôn đón chẳng ngộ. Oh my god, so scary.
This is episode number 1970. Our Friday Night Frenzy. We'll get a little funky, a little frisky. As I always like to do, we will get back to some peace.
Is gonna tail me, so I'm gonna slow down. This is even better. Wait. Let me set my cruise control. Let me set my cruise control right on me. I'll set my cruise control. There we go. I gotta turn my cruise control on. Fucking person is tailing me. Like I'm literally driving. They're on. Like whatever. Whatever. So, it's all good. You can, but I don't have to go over 45. Who gives a? They're sitting behind me. They're like fucking foot from the back of my car. What are you tailing me for? And then he zips around me to get in front of me. Whatever. Oh, don't your car, man! Don't get out of your car! Don't get out of your car, fucker! Don't get out of your car, motherfucker! Get back in your fucker! Go ahead! Get back in your fucker! Don't tail me! Don't fucking get back in your car! You want spirit? You want a life-changing moment in your fucking life? Do you want a life-changing moment in your life? Fucking neck in your car! Get back in your fucking car! He's out of his car standing in the fucking window. Fucking take. I have no idea. He's sitting in front of me. He's sitting in front of me, and now he can put his hazards on. Like I got my kids in my car. Then what are you following me so close for? I have no idea, dude.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, I do feel like I have a story to tell because, like life, everything happens for a reason. And what happened to me is something that had to happen. So I'm gonna tell you just straight up, I had a car accident a few weeks ago, not even long ago, that shook my world, I was not even capable of going out of the car on my own. It was a near-death experience for me, but for me it was like a wake-up call. Before the accident, I was not in a happy place. I was depressed for a very long time. I did not even know I was depressed because I didn't want to give up on it. I didn't want to say I was, because why would I be? I got this family, I got these businesses, I got all this success. Why should I be depressed? But I was. And now after this accident, it's just like I got a second chance in life. Why would the universe give me a second chance? Why? But I felt like, my mom's up there, so she probably told them come on, you gotta give him a second chance. He's a good kid, he has a good heart, and I do have a good heart. It just shook my whole world, and now I know what my purpose is in life, and it's to tell my story, tell what I've been through. Look at me, I'm totally destroyed, but still I'm standing strong here today, telling you guys I'm happy. I'm so happy. And it's just, people, enjoy life, please, because can all be taken away from you so easily. Like me, it could have been taken away from you all. So just enjoy life, be motivated, tell people you love them. Make love, not war. There's no time to have arguments with each other, because it can be your last moments together. Just look around you. Just if the person's next to you, just tell them you love them, hug them or do whatever. It can be your last time. I'm not here to tell a sad story. I'm telling you for a positive story. This is a positive story for me. I'm a changed man. I look at life differently. I love walking outside. I love talking to friends. I love doing my work. I love everything. So don't postpone anything, guys. If you want to do something, do it and go for it. Like I always say, yesterday's history. Tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. So enjoy life, guys. Just go out there and enjoy it, because it might be your last day, you never know. So this is me telling my story. Yes.
Hi, Charlie. Fine. You change this to a stable. Vehicle is going to be retrieved tomorrow. You don't want to wait for a tow truck. Can you add the plate?
Hey everyone, it's Dr. Lori with Functional Health Unlimited. We are in the deep freeze today. It is cold outside, and what does that mean? It means lots and lots of potential black ice, car accidents, and you need to be safe when you're driving. So a few things that I do is try to create a bubble around me. Leave a bunch of room in front of me, 3 to 4 car lengths, maybe even more, and behind me and on the sides. Absolutely, of course, no texting or looking at my phone when I'm driving, and just being aware of everything that's going on around me. Snow is coming after the cold, so what that means is even worse roads. So be safe, be careful, stay warm, keep some stuff in your car in case you go in the ditch. And if you do get in an accident, let me know. I have tons and tons of soft tissue techniques, acupuncture, dry needling, that we can do to get you feeling better if something were to happen. Be safe and stay warm.